Muslims' attitude toward the people of the book. Islam, both Judaism and Christianity, as divine religion revealed by God. It recognizes their prophets and scriptures. It treats them with deniers and idolatry, but rather describes them as the people of the book, and ensures that Muslims with affection is set out as follows in Surah Al-Baqarah.
I seek refuge from the accursed Satan.
Alif Lam is the book without contains guidance for guard against those who believe in the unseen, perform prayer, spend what we have provided. Those who believe in what was sent down before you and are after.
God reveals the earlier divinely revealed books as of the prophet Abraham. The Torah was revealed to the prophet David. The Gospel revealed to Jesus, peace be upon him. However, apart from the other books have gradually been, for which reason some parts of the interpretation and provision corruption, analyzing the Quran. The more errors of among the people of the book, but this is that the of the book is in error. God reveals in a number of verses our people among both Jews and Christians.
Community among the people of the book who are upright. Cite the sign throughout the prostrate. They believe in God and the last day. Join the right and forbid the wrong. Compete among the righteous. You will not be denied the reward for a good thing you do. God knows to guard against evil. It's not be forgotten that God knows every individual's heart. That reason, the Muslim perspective must be that there may be many sincere believers among the people of the book. Attitude maintained. It will be much easier to establish bonds based on respect among believers.